another day. Oh shit. Is that RV&G CSL?
And if it's covering it though, which it kind of is,
Probably 19 out of 20 cars you're gonna sell at kit for is gonna be for a normal one. And the normal one,
Yeah,
you
that's
can see
not
it right
there.
here.
Yeah.
So, I mean, for the meat, we'll just take it off.
So this thing's gonna be on display here. That's fire. We gotta make sure
And
motherfuckers
G87
don't
Mikey's
like
gonna be
lean on it or something. Swear to God, if I come in here and see some fool. At the last meet, some fucking idiots stuffed a bag full of buzz balls, finished it, just chucked it down there.
This shit looks like a missile.
Yeah,
It looks
dude.
like a fucking bomb.
This is titanium, so it actually shouldn't be too heavy, but.
Alright, now back up. Good CSL exhaust. Secondary and primary downpipes out, and this fool's getting our Cerakoted G80 downpipes. The Cerakote is actually a heat shielding. It's better than the other heat shielding, right?
More heat performance like aspects, but the reason why it's better than traditional is it doesn't like over time with moisture, water, all that stuff. The heat shielding is kind of like it's a material that can just get damaged and worn over time. The Cerakote won't.
Cerakote's ceramic coated. It's melted on there, so that shit's on there for real. Look at the size difference too, dude. The secondary one's fat as fuck compared to the new one. No back pressure. Fuck. Are you keeping it on for the meet tomorrow?
Actually, no. No, I'm not.
You should.
It's done by Stage 5 Wraps, the best wrap shop out there.
Dude, oh my god.
Yeah, there's little parts. I was testing it on a private course at about 180, and it was making some weird noises, but otherwise it's great.
I mean, hey, for fucking wrapping paper.
Wrapping paper, this is crazy. 6 hours and wrapping paper and a professional in there, and it's amazing.
Do you get some crazy looks on the road?
Let's get a close up on the door handle.
Yeah, the door.
Magnificent work.
Wow.
Dude, the carbon exposed.
Very tasteful.
Exactly.
White CSL.
Dude, that thing is. I want to go see that, honestly. I see this thing every day.
It's alright. Pretty overrated. In my opinion.
Oh, this is the gold one?
Look under.
No way! Dude, this is so fire. That's insane. Beautiful full carbon on that interior trim, like just an insane car.
Dude, the CSL buckets are crazy.
Money?
Stock for stock. Everyone clear, everyone clear, everyone clear. Yeah. Way too many.
It low-key looks better like this.
All right, now for the cut and the chopping time.
I was the knight in shine.
Hey, can I bum a scroll? Bro, the low taper fade meme is still massive.
Thousand years later.
So, as you can see, we're in the MBCC RV&G shop where we will be having arguably one of the biggest meets of the year, 13th of December, 8 p.m. Right now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go around to the neighbors and tell them what's gonna go down. We had a couple people get mad at us last time, so trying to be good neighbors this time and let them know what's going on. I think it's a week and a half advance, right? It's Tuesday, the 3rd. We're gonna have to call Garden Grove PD as well, because I did tell them that I would let them know. On the phone with the ops. Right now, we're gonna go down to the deli right here. We literally share a wall with them. You're gonna be the more chill people. How's it going, guys? I was here like a week ago, and you told me to come back and remind you. We're doing the event.
We're not gonna like tell people to leave or anything.
Yeah. That's no stunts or anything like that. Thank you.
She was pretty chill.
She was pretty chill.
Not tripping at all, actually.
I guess it's just gonna be a Aventador Huracan, Nissan Altima, Aventador Huracan, Nissan Altima. You know, it's all good, bro. Who cares?
There.
Last time we did no cars in the back, and it was like some bullshit. We have LED lights back there now. This is the guy who doesn't really like me, so I'm gonna try and you stay out here and be safe. Yo, Roger, I'm just letting you know we're doing another meet, and I'm giving you notice this time. Just letting you know.
Okay.
Thanks for being chill.
This guy apparently was a little salty last time at the other one, so I think it's because he didn't know what was going on.
I think it is fair that we didn't give him notice. There's the one person here that we didn't tell. Yeah, just go with this momentum and just call Garden Grove PD right now too.
What are they gonna do? This is our property. We got this whole parking lot to ourselves. No one's doing donuts.
Assistance, press 1. For information on an impounded vehicle, press 2. To reach the Detective Bureau, press 5.
Oh my God, bro.
Press 6.
I don't know what this would be
To reach
categorized
the
as.
front desk, press 7.
Oh,
For jail
front desk.
inquiries, Garden Grove Police.
Hi there. My name's Tim. I'm from Newport Car Club.
Okay, hold on one moment.
Yeah, no worries. Go to the beginning somewhere with this right now.
Pass you down to the sergeant's office, okay?
Thank you, yeah.
Sergeant's office, hello, sir.
Hey there, how's it going? My name is Tim Thiers. I on the lease for a building that's in Garden Grove.
You're having one of those again?
Yes, they told me to let you guys know.
Absolutely. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reach out to our motor division, and I'll have them reach out to you right now. We appreciate that.
Yeah, of course.
This guy should be calling you here in the next few minutes.
But that's pretty good, right? Yeah. No call from said deputy that was supposed to call us. We're gonna go get food. I guess we'll check in if he ends up calling us. In a Tishra.
Actually, he looks like a fucking iPhone, bro.
Bro, and it's like.
No one wants to watch fucking 2048
I'm trying to-
asteroids. Alright, this game sucks.
Dude, I'm timeless.
Copping a quick game.
Just experiencing life in its most purest form, which is playing chess, for sure. We are live. This is Tim.
Hey Tim, Sergeant Cass, Garden Grove Police Department. How you doing? I got a message saying that you guys are going to have a car meet on Stanford. What's the date for that?
The 13th of December.
What's the time?
8 p.m.
How many people, cars you're expecting in the area?
Expecting to fill the lot.
So we had no problem. We want there to have car meets, fun like stuff. Appreciate you guys giving us a heads up. Yeah, just if you put out a message, hey, when they come to and from, like as long as they're not street racing, we're not going to have any issues with them, with you guys being there and stuff like that. All right, Tim, thanks for the call. Heads up.
Yep, let's go. But I did butcher that fucking chess game.
Check.
You're poor. Chat. I don't think we're gonna see it through out of this
Chat.
one. I'm just gonna have to do this all day, chat. Just gonna do this all day, boy.
No, you really can't.
Oh shit. I'm caboose. Sheriff, bro? That shit went like weirdly well. I'm doing that every time, bro.
Just call his personal line. They knew about it last time too. They had our Instagram post.
Someone tipped them off to it. That's why though.
There's snitches in the group chat, bro.
In the GC,
Bro.
Federale.
We have Newport Car Club at home,
All right, we're live. So
Where are we at?
I don't know how many days it's been since that last clip, but here we are. Yay Munza, credits to ALG. 600 LT BBS is on there. We got Sferis with the 720, Jungle Exotics with the twin turbo R8. Got some Beamers over there, you know, Jedi M4, Sailor M4, shout out Shale, RVNG G83 M4 comp, and M8 comp.
Don't forget the goddamn
Nothing else.
F8.
There's nothing else of note that's over there at all. I couldn't really begin to really say. There's just like a black shadow that's over there too. I don't even know what's going on with that. Batman stopped by today. He was like, yo dude, just take my Aventador to the meet. And I was like, bro, I gotta drive the M8. He's like, bro, just once for me, one time. So, I mean, it's just an Aventador. It's nothing crazy. Carbon wheels. Oh yeah, let's get a close up, bro. Hold up. Dog. What? What? And shout out to what's up, pulling up deep in that
I pulled up
550
in
right
a
now.
big body.
See what's up. What do you got to say for YouTube?
Tim, I'm here again. I didn't get a BMW yet. I'm still in a Mercedes.
Yeah, he should have got an M8. He was like, I had to get an S550 just because, but M8 next, right? With RVNG primary and secondary downpipes and front mount intakes. Carbon fiber, front mount intake, whatever. Just run through the garden. Josh needs to tap in too, bro. No cap. So after this, we're going to 2 other spots. 4, see with Seb, 2 shoot these amazing cars. Shout out Sean, congrats on the F8. And then, you already know, it's the meet. I'm a little nervous, like whole knot in my stomach right now because there's gonna be a lot of people. It's almost at 3,000 reshares.
We gotta tap in with this fool for
Yeah, that's
RVNG
literally what I
shit.
was just saying.
This is
bro.
literally fucking top spec. This is like the one that I would get.
And it has the tangerine interior too.
Yeah, that's why. Orange.
Shout out Ferris for specking out the craziest G80. Dude, I wish you guys could see what it looked like the first time. This is actually where I met Mr. Automobin in the M3 that is here tonight. And that was probably, that and like a G82 M4 is probably the coolest car that was there that night. Now,
Fast forward a couple years.
fast forward.
This is not even the actual meet. This is literally just
This is
pre-meet.
just the
This is like the people that were available at 5 p.m. to come kick it.
Seeing how far shit's come, just want to say thank you to everybody that's actually like rocked with us and like not, you know, tried to bring us down or, you know, make any bad problems come from this. And all we really want to do is just like have the community together and, you know, do cool shit like this all the time, bro. This is what it's all about. I mean, look at this shit.
So essentially, what's going to happen is we're going to go down out of this place in like 15, and then mob the speed limit to. Chill loves doing the speed limit, but we're mobbing the exact speed limit all the way to the Garden Grove shop.
Bye bye, buddy. Yeah, I want to see some flames. Come on, let me see some flames.
Woo! Just watch out. I think that's him. It should be him.
Which car? Oh, Shishua. Might be him.
What's going on, boss? Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
How's it going, man?
How's it going? Nice to meet you.
Tom.
Tim.
Yeah, lots
Close enough. Yeah. But chill.
Everyone being pretty cool.
Yeah. No like burnouts or nothing, no swinging anything.
That's what we want.
You know, yeah, just hanging out, everyone hanging out. Tim.
Nino.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, dude, you want to come inside, see the shop and everything? Come look around. You got hot dogs in the back?
Oh, dude, we just ate. I appreciate it. We had some pizza.
It's all good. Probably not going to get much crazier than this. We'll probably get like crazier cars pull up, but like, you know, it's going to be about the same amount of people, same amount of crowd. I'll bring you a hot dog if you want.
No,
Thanks, Tom. Have a good one. Nino, right?
Yeah.
Dialed. Contrary to what it might look like, the F8's not actually leaving. It's going for a rip. And we're going to block off the spot. It's going to come back after said rip, give some revs, you know, and then go back to its hibernation. Literally everyone and their grandpa is here right now.
Dude, the overflow parking is stacked. Like,
Yeah,
it's not
dog.
even, we overflow for the overflow now.
Hopefully we can get some more supercars here because there's clearly not enough, you know, just a bunch of them. But... Okay, so once again too, bro, all of these fucking people took all this time out of their day. Some people have been here since 7:30 and it's literally 9:30 right now and they're still here. Our Vizu pulled up. Love Vizu. Vizu, if you're seeing this, I love you.
VG exhaust. Like fucking 4K. This thing's loud as
God. You know from the starting of this video, Garden Grove PD, we're on your side. And we got the Garden Grove PD wall coming through right now.
You can't really see with the glare of the lights.
But I mean, look at what, it's just not even close to what it was 30 minutes ago.
They kind of showed up a little too late.
Yeah, I was.
Yeah, what's the barricade about now?
He's like, I'm just letting you.
There's no point in having a barricade now. There's no one here.
He literally was like, I'm
There's
just letting you know.
no one here.
I'm letting you know we're going full special ops. And I was like, what does that mean?
Whoa. Hey, hold on. Let's scope Nick real quick.
Why are you leaving now?
Huh? Do not leave right now. Do not leave right now.
We love you, Garden Grove PD. Please don't give us a business violation.
They're like not much. I just told them everyone cleared out and they just all like looked away and they're like not saying anything. So
They're like
no,
they're just butthurt they couldn't be here.
pretty much.
Did you tell them that it's our shop though?
Dude, I didn't even. I walked up and one of them had the window up.
Because you have the fucking camera. That's why.
They're filming too. They have body cams.
Well, yeah,
they have
they
this
don't
strapped to their
want-
chest.
You'd think they're the fucking shooter here with
No, they've assumed so.
We do everything we can. We tell everyone to leave slowly.
The cops. We posted the cops would be involved. Posted fucking.
Yeah.
Posted don't do burnouts. Like what do we?
That's what I mean. It's like we
Hey,
can't.
but
We can't host
shouts
as
out
much
to
work
them,
as
bro,
we'd like
because
to,
it's
bro.
10:20, so they showed up right when it's over, which is pretty fun.
Look, I was 19 years old with 400,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck.
But bro, that's what I'm saying is we can't be doing this every month. Like this is a once every
Once a
2 to
month.
3.
Every three.
No.
No, every
Once.
three.
This is we are gonna get evicted.
One Ferrari got into a wreck and got a fast